How to make only specific friends can see what others post on your profile on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make only specific friends can see what others post on your profile on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings. Click on it, scroll down again. Here you will find profile and tagging, and then click who can see what others post on your profile, and then just click specific friends. And now all you need to do is just select them and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.